Today I want to show you this acrylic template set that comes from my friend and fellow blogger, Cara Miller. These acrylic squares are great for scrapbooking or card making to use as a template. You can see it's a good thick acrylic square, and you can put little stickers in the corners that will tell you the size. Okay, to start off with, I'm going to peel off this blue covering, and I'm just using a pin pen, which I use for weeding vinyl. But it works great when you just poke the corner and then peel off this protective blue coating. And the coating just keeps everything nice and clean and in shipping, so you don't have scratched up acrylic pieces, which is super nice. And I think I got a little bit that just stayed stuck, so I'll grab that with my fingers. So the next step is to put the stickers on, and these stickers come with the kit, and I love this. Okay, look at the sticker. It's nice and labeled, but bend the back and it just pops right off. Okay, so I love that. Makes it nice and easy to get the sticker off of the backing and then onto your acrylic piece. So I'm just going to do that with the last piece, and then our set will be ready to use. And I do want to thank Cara for sharing these with me. I think this is going to be a great tool for scrapbookers and card makers. And Cara is being so nice and offering my followers a discount. If you want to purchase anything off of her website, stay tuned. I will share that information with you at the end of this video, but I just wanted to let you know now so that you stay all the way till the end. Okay, so because I'm talking and peeling at the same time, I got a little corner stuck, but it's okay. You can get off. So again, take the little sticker, flip it over, bend it, and let that backing just peel right off. I wish everything with backings would peel off as easy as these do. Okay, so now I have all my different sizes set, and let's put those in order and ready to go and to use for a project. So the first example I want to show you is for scrapbooking. I love scrapbooking, and we always take a picture and then go, I want to crop it down. But if you're doing it with your Cricut and put it on the cutting mat, sometimes it's hard to line up where you want that square to cut out. So what I like to do with these templates is take them and put my picture down, and then I can take a template like this 3x3, and then I can set it right over the top of this Scooby-Doo image, and then I can see, like, how is that gonna fit? Do I want more clouds? Do I want more of the car? Make sure everything's centered, and then I could just take a pen and kind of mark around the corners. So now I can remove that template and I have little cutting guidelines. Perfect. So now I'll have a perfect 3x3 square of Scooby-Doo. I know it's centered great. So you can also use this for card making. If you're like me, you have a big collection of papers, and sometimes I like to space things so it lines up so all my dots are in there. I hate it when I get like a row of dots where it's cut off on one edge or they don't look centered. Well, this allows me to center it. I could even make an angled one. Oh, let's go smaller. So I wanted to line up so that the points are all on dots. So see how that just makes it so that my shape is better centered? I love it. So I'm sure you'll find other uses for these templates. Again, I want to do a big shout out and thank you to Cara Miller. Head over to caramiller.com and use coupon code Sean at checkout, and you're going to get 10% off your purchase of these templates or any of Cara's other products. I can't wait to see what you make with them.